Hello, hello, hello. Again, I'm still sick just right after the install, guys. I'm going to do an install review. I wanted to do this because some things I noticed after I put it on. Not that disappointed, but again, still the plastic thing installed. I just disappointed. You can see it's already like the sun pitting. I am in Tennessee. It gets hot here. Cheap springs on the inside. I mean, it does keep, all it is to keep that lifted up. It's still plastic. So I installed it with these new metal ones, which if you're watching my part 1 video, you can see this is a lot harder to pull open, and you have to push down when you take the lever off. And they have a little bit of adjustment room. You can see I had this one adjusted all the way down. And even though I have it adjusted all the way down, it still rubs the paint off the ends here. Thought about maybe filing this off a little bit. Maybe taking it off and then repainting it. I wouldn't paint it while it's on the car. That's too much of a risk, even if you tape it. But maybe file it down a little bit so it gets on a little easier. But yeah, it's a booger to install and take off. It's not impossible. It's not enough for me to return them. I wanted to show you a couple more things. I'm going to set you down for a second. So again, these were Allen stocks. I didn't use the supplied ones. I used my own bits and a ratchet, but you have to take this off and this off, which come off in 2 screws, and there's a hinge that's inserted in the middle here, and it is a booger to put these in on both sides after you get this tightened, because there's not much room. What I did, I left this a little loose so I could rotate this still. Installed that one, installed this one, rotated it around and stuck a bit down on the inside and torqued it back so it would hold that still without like really messing it up, and then tightening this nut. It's not that difficult to do. This nut does tighten. It's nylon, so you don't have to put a whole lot of pressure on it, and it doesn't damage it. I would advise taping. This is painter's tape. This is the piece I used. This is painted on mine. I'm not sure what your other Jeeps have, but I had this all covered up so I didn't damage when I had my wrench in here and stuff, because you're definitely going to rub on this paint. But with this on there, you can make this as thick as you want. It's not going to cause any damage to your paint. But that was it, guys. That's the install of it. And at the beginning of the video, you see what it looks like installed and what one looks like without it. Again, these come in flags, some colors, subdued flag. I think you can get these in all different kinds of things, just like all the other Jeep parts. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the videos, and I had to come back in here and let you guys know how much of a booger this was to install. I definitely would change this from an ease of install. I had it earlier as a 9 out of 10. Probably make it a 7 now, because it wasn't that bad for me. But I mean, it's not that difficult, but not knowing to cover this in some tape and stuff like that, now you're getting a little more involved. You can use a rag if you don't have any tape, but this was easy to install, except for having to adjust it all the way down. I'm not sure what measurements they used, but it is a tight booger. It definitely holds it down a lot tighter than the other side. I do like that about it, but at the same time, I'm not sure if that messes with these sensors, if these are being pushed down on harder. I don't know. I don't think they got so much room. I don't think it'll mess with those. But anyway, I like it overall. It's still metal, and hopefully it doesn't fade like the plastic did. Well, thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Bye.